Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Kambarik and today I'm going to tell you an excellent topic. The topic name is Monkey and Crocodile. You know guys, this is a moral story and it is a great moral for the human life and it can change your mentality, it can bring you a big sense. So let's know the story. And once upon a time it was a rainy season, there was a blackberry tree at the bank of the river and this berry tree was full of berries and in the same river there was a crocodile and a monkey was sitting on the branch of the tree having some berries and falling something in this river. And one day the crocodile tasted some berries and became surprised. He thought, these berries are very tasty. If I should friendship with monkey, then I can have the berry daily. So he came to the bank of the river and said, Monkey, oh monkey, would you accept my friendship request? I want to make you friend forever. Then monkey said, yes, friendship is the best relation among other relations of the world. How can I deny? From today, you are my friend, I am your friend. So come daily to the bank of the river, I will give you some berries. Then he will answer. Then every day the crocodile was coming to the bank of the river having some berries. One day the crocodile said, Monkey, my dear friend, would you give some berries for my wife? The monkey said, yes, take some berries for your wife. Then the crocodile took some berries and returned back to the home. After reaching at the residence, he offered these berries to his wife. That he said, darling, I have brought some berries, taste it and enjoy. The female crocodile tasted some berries and become very happy and he said, yes, this is very tasty berries. Darling, who given you these berries? Crocodile said, I have a friend named Monkey, he given me these berries and you taste and enjoy. Then the female crocodile said, if the berries are so tasty, liver of the monkey is so tastier or more tastier than berries. So would you please bring me the liver of the monkey? And crocodile said, monkey is my friend. How can I cheat him? How can I beg him the liver? No, it is quite impossible. I cannot beg him the liver. So you don't pressurize me for this matter. Then due to obstination of female crocodile, male crocodile came to the bank of the river and said to the monkey, Monkey, my dear friend, my wife became very happy with this berries. She wanted to meet you, invited you to our residence. Would you please come to my residence with me? Then the monkey thought for a while and he said, you are a water animal, I am a land animal. You can swim in the water, but I don't know how to swim in the water. I can jump from branch to branch. I can swing from branch to branch, but I cannot go with you. No, I am sorry. Then the crocodile thought for a while and said, Monkey, I have an idea. Just you sit on my back, I will carry you to my residence. Monkey thought, yes, this is a nice idea. If I should sit on the back of the crocodile, he will carry me to his residence. It is very easy. So, monkey jumped to the back of the crocodile. Crocodile and monkey set out from the bank of the river. In the middle of the river, the crocodile said, Monkey, my dear friend, do you know why my wife invited you? Monkey said, why? I mean to say why? Why your wife invited me? Then crocodile said, my wife wanted to taste your liver. Then monkey said, what? Your wife wanted to taste my liver? Why didn't you tell me this matter before? I left my liver on the hole of the tree. Let's go to the bank of the river to bring this liver for your wife. Then female crocodile did not understand the trick of the monkey and he returned back to the bank of the river. Suddenly monkey jumped to the branch of the tree, started to laugh. Ha ha ha! Foolish crocodile! I cheated you! Am I? Then crocodile said, what? You cheated me? But how? Then monkey said, you know, liver is the internal organ of all living creature. How can I keep it in the hole of the tree? No, it's not there. It's in my body. And go speak this matter to your wife. What nonsense. What silly and crazy crocodile you are. I cheated you. Am I? Then the crocodile became very gloomy and returned back to home sadly. This is the end of the story. But moral of the story is, present idea is mightier than sword. So guys, a request from my side, you should always apply your present idea. By this way, you can save yourself from the dangerous situation. Never forget, present idea is mightier than sword. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.